Hey friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out an LED light strip, and this is one that syncs to music. It's 32 feet of LEDs, 50/50 RGB, red, green, blue lights, waterproof, and they have double-sided tape on them. Has a music mode, complete control function, easy to install, 4 brightness adjustments, 4 music modes, 4 lighting modes, and more. Boasts a lot of stuff. As always, my friends, I'm going to be putting a link to this in Amazon in the description, in the description below. You guys can check it out. Let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? So first off and foremost, we have a power AC/DC adapter. Okay. And the cord is about 5 or 4 feet long, probably closer to 4 feet actually. Secondly, we have in the box another power cord for that, and that's also approximately 4 feet long, so it gives you about 8 feet of power cord. Now in the box we have another box. And what's this little guy? It's the music RGB control box, IR remote control, input voltage, output current. Okay, so your little brains for your 2 strips there of LEDs. Uh-oh, what was that little guy? 2 little connectors. There's 2 of these for your light strip. You can put those in there. We have a remote, and that thing's got about 40 buttons on there, and looks like you can control just about everything through there, so that's pretty cool. And least but not last, my friends, we have the LED strips themselves, and here is one. So it looks like they have the little 4-pin connector on each side, and then appears to have some sticky tape on the back, so you can stick it wherever you want to. And here we have another light strip, so there's 2 of them, and some instruction manuals, user instructions. Just one, sorry, I said the multiples there. And you can, tells you where to cut the strip if you need to. Step 1, how to install. If you want to cut the light strips, tear off the covering, plug it in, good to go. And that features several different languages, looks like. Okay, my friends, that's it in the box. I will be doing installation, setup, review video soon. Thanks for watching this unboxing. As always, I'll put a link in the description below. I think I already said that. But you can grab it off of Amazon for about $32. So everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.